Hi, I'm Phil George, and I'm here live at VMware's Partner Exchange, and I'm with Brad Maltz, CTO of ICI. So Brad, ICI has undergone a transformation recently. Tell us about that.
Yes, we have. Thanks, Phil. So recently, ICI has actually merged with a company out of Texas by the name of Lumenate. And what we basically have done is we brought together two organizations to really help drive the converged infrastructure, software-defined data center type of discussion. ICI's strengths, as EMC and VMware followers really know, is in the cloud and user computing data center space. Luminate's strengths were also a little bit in the data center, as well as a huge security and collaboration and Cisco practice. So bringing these together really helps create an organization where we can help our customers really define and take care of all different aspects of a solution.
Yeah, no, I've noticed that. In fact, VMware and the whole virtualization growth that we've seen has been changing the landscape of IT, and that transformation is leading to a lot of benefits. And one thing that ICI has always brought to the table is this deep understanding of virtualization from the hypervisor layer, along with storage, and more interestingly, in the backup recovery space. I'd love you to comment a little bit about that, and maybe a customer example would be great.
Yeah, sure. So obviously virtualization is one of my go-to technologies. I love it to death. And we've driven that with so many customers out there so often that the virtualization discussion has become commonplace now. And what we're finding is, as customers now are getting closer to 90% virtualized, 100% virtualized, and moving into the cloud discussion, really the outlying technologies are really what are starting to pop up. The disaster recovery, the backup discussions, all those aspects are where the operational efficiencies need to be had. And that's really what's been going on recently with a lot of our solutions and our discussions. A great win for ourselves and VMware and EMC actually is at a healthcare insurance company up in the Massachusetts area. And what they were doing is they were still backing up their virtual environment with a mixture of some virtualization backups and a lot of traditional backups based on things such as Tivoli and others. And the customer, unfortunately, was backing up around 650 virtual machines and seeing over 36-hour windows just to do backups. It was crazy.
Yeah.
So what we helped them do is we helped do some analysis within the environment with EMC's Data Protection Advisor as the assessment tool. DPA, love it. And what we found is by going in with deduplication and 10 gig and other aspects of the environment, we're able to reduce their backup windows down to a few hours instead of 36-hour windows. And the solution that we actually put in place was a combination of Avamar with data domain behind it, utilizing DD Boost coming in directly from the virtual machine level all the way down into the data domain. And by doing this, they're getting the recoverability at the image level, at the file level, and at the application level. Wow,
that's fantastic. And again, that reliability, the performance, it just returns value to the customer so quickly. And again, the confidence, you just can't even put a value on it. So great success.
Exactly.
And thanks for bringing a backup into the virtualization conversation. And good luck to Lumenate.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here on the Backup Window blog. This is Phil George from VMware Partner Exchange saying thanks, and we'll catch you again.